this is my big cat. As you can see, he's really big. He's like, here, I'll show you. He's like, like Garfield. He's like as big as my lap. We're gonna show you what kind of treats he likes. They are temptations, and you want to see what he does with them? Ready? That's one. He hogs them. Just hogs. He's a really picky eater. Like, his food bowl is like this. He only likes it on like one side. He won't have it on like all like scrambled up. He'll have it on all one side, or he won't eat it. He'll be picky. And every time he just walks around, and every time he just wants to eat. Every time. And every time he like eats, he sheds a lot. See his fur. Show you. Like all this fur. I think he's like a white Garfield. As you can see, he has blue eyes. But he's such a lazy cat. He usually his sports he does like 2-paw walk, and then he stops. And he suntans, and he usually just like goes to sleep. See? And if you can see him, he's trying to fight me because he wants to go into his like secret place, but we all know where his secret place is, so nothing much now. Get your butt out of here. Just to let you know, cats can do anything for these temptations. And see you later. Thanks for watching my video. There might be one next week. See how it goes.
Bye.
Bye.